It is time for another property tour with your host, America's Realtor. Look at that elevation, y'all. So nice. And sorry about these coverings right here. We're going through a freeze right now in Texas, and they just want to protect their landscaping. And nice front patio. And we are in, y'all. We are so in. Here we go, baby. Spiral staircase.
Artlist.io.
With your dining room and living room stacked. And y'all, today we are in Edgewater. And this is in Fate, Texas. Built by Grand Homes.
Music licensing reimagined.
And the starting prices are from $565,900. And this model right here is about 3810 square feet, just so you can get an idea of what we're looking at. And we have the open floor plan, kitchen,
Artlist.io.
living room combo, or den, I guess you want to call it. And this is the wine cellar, but right now it's just kind of decorated, but you know, you could put racks up there, stuff like that.
Music
And we're gonna head
licensing
upstairs real
reimagined.
quick. There's someone in the master bedroom, so we'll give them some time to get out and look over there. But here is a bird's eye view of the front. Game room. And a dry bar. With a stacked media room right there. So very, very good.
Artlist.io.
Love these floor plans by Grand Homes. And I'll get started real quick and just tell you a little bit about Edgewater. It's a family-friendly community. And right there is a study room real quick for those young scholars. Shout out. And so Edgewater is part of Rockwall County. And the community, it has a pool, a community pool, I guess you want to call it. Has an amenity center as well. An event pavilion.
Artlist.io.
And a playground for those kiddos. And hiking and bike trails, y'all. So, a lot of outdoor type of things to do. And it's got a fishing pond. So you can catch some bass, perch, stuff like that. But full disclosure, there will be no pike in that pond.
Artlist.io.
No marlins, no swordfish, nothing of that sort. Little humorous type of deal there. And Edgewater is a
Music
top-rated
licensing
community
reimagined.
with Rockwall schools. So it is Rockwall ISD. They are an award-winning district, very respected. And here's the master bedroom down, y'all. As I promised, I was going to show y'all this. So more than enough room, double vanities, stand-up shower, garden tub, and a walk-in closet with those French doors.
Artlist.io.
Lots of space in this one. Great backsplash, tile flooring, under cabinet lighting, modern lighting. And the bathroom is over there. Never really show that. It's just a standard little bathroom. And just a
Music
little look
licensing
again for y'all.
reimagined.
And let's come back out this way. Man, what a beauty. And this is reasonably priced, y'all. very, very reasonable. And there's a laundry room over there. It's just it's a storage space right now. And you got your gas grill, as always, in these grand homes. And let's go outside, y'all. Another look right there. And we got the outdoor pergola. And we have room for a pool, just so y'all can kind of see out here. So very nice, spacious yard. And I want to thank y'all for tuning in to today's property tour. Please hit that like and subscribe button so we can inform others on the awesome real estate market here in Texas. And I will catch y'all on the next one.